Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to change your mobile wallpaper. First, unlock your phone and go to the home screen. Tap and hold on an empty space on your screen until the settings menu appears. Select wallpaper or change wallpaper from the options. Choose a wallpaper from the default gallery or select an image from your phone's gallery. Tap Set Wallpaper and select whether you want it for the home screen, lock screen, or both. That's it. Your mobile wallpaper has been changed. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.